Math question number 11. The interior angles of a regular polygon is 168 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So let's solve this because it's very simple. Solution. So all you have to do is to access, first of all, write down the formula for finding the number of sides of a polygon. So let's say I told you the number of sides, or if I, let's say I give you the sum of the interior angles of a triangle of a polygon, and I ask you to find the sides. I'm going to use the formula: the sum of interior angles of a polygon, sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So that will be the sum, but we don't have the sum, the total number of all the interior angles. What we have is just the size of one angle. So we are going to now do this. Bring down this formula: n minus 2 into 180. Now, whatever the size of that, the number of sides of that polygon is, if you multiply that number by 168, if it's 10, if you multiply 10 by 168, you get its total value of interior angles. So that will give us 180 times 168 times n. So we don't know the number, but we know that the number is n. So we simply do 168 times n, and that is going to give us 168n. So you come back here and expand this bracket. 180 times n is going to give you 180n minus 2 times 180 is going to give you minus 360. So you are going to collect like terms. So to collect like terms, you are going to have 180n. Then you bring over 168 here, minus 168n is equal to, so when this minus 360 crosses, it's just going to become 360. So all you're going to do is to subtract. So 180 minus 168 is going to give us 12n is equal to 360. So all you have to do now is to divide both sides by 12. And that is going to give us n is equal to, this is 3, n is going to give us 30 sides. There are 30 sides to the polygon. I hope you enjoy this class. If you have any question, drop it in the comments.